you tired of your phone dying during outdoor adventures? Today, I'm reviewing the USB solar panel with Type-C output, a waterproof portable solar charger designed for phones, RV travel, fishing, hiking, camping, and garden use. First, let's talk about solar charging excellence. This panel uses monocrystalline solar cells, which are known for high conversion efficiency. In my tests, it charged my phone quickly even in partly cloudy conditions, making it a reliable power source for security cameras and other devices year-round. Durability is crucial for outdoor gear. This panel boasts an IP66 weather-resistant rating, meaning it can withstand heavy rain and snow. I left it out during a storm, and it worked perfectly afterward. The build feels solid, and the protective layer ensures long-term performance. Convenience is a key feature. It has a Type-C output and supports plug-and-play charging for multiple devices simultaneously. I charged my phone and a power bank at the same time without issues. The cable management is tidy, and the panel is lightweight enough to carry in a backpack. Optimized sunlight capture is another highlight. The 360-degree mount and adjustable stand allow you to angle the panel for maximum sun exposure. I used it on a hiking trip, adjusting it throughout the day to follow the sun. This feature ensures you get the most out of every sunny moment. Finally, this rugged solar power kit is ideal for off-grid power needs. It kept my security camera running in a remote area, and its robust construction handled rough conditions. Whether you're camping, RVing, or just spending time in your garden, this panel provides a reliable, all-day energy source. In summary, the USB solar panel with Type-C is a versatile, durable, and efficient charger for outdoor enthusiasts. If you need portable power for phones, cameras, or other USB devices, this is a solid investment. Check the link in the description for pricing and availability.